Yes. Full as number 2. Oh, that's only not sicker music. You know, ever since we introduced like a song rap and invited the names Dumbo Settle Trap 2014, Aka Ole didn't kick her out. We biological man, these days soon make a doubt like a stepmother. I can see your suspicion, you don't know my ambition. When we try to bonchisi and talk about my addiction. Like a song rap Varmina Adolf in Kosa World War, maybe I'm a traditional Hitler. Mkwembu in Salanzako, still I refuse to be a traditional healer. No for vanzao to invigilate me, nothing to initiate me. Nganga yirin famba mi konzo nge skot in misati tek, in misati baby milo roin stisatin phase, in chinchatin jet, the one kari queensati takes, skinyati made, they understand. My development lava to shoro tukas business tisa CV. Some promisana to offer takun fakaka TV, and I won't sell my soul, cause the devil is a lie, try to take my goal. If I'm the best, then solar pensive. Given my nika young Angela couldn't push a rap. Tabs a boy forever part of my legacy. My world is legendary, unforgettable. Nigga young nung see Malin is living large. IK nung fuck straight like a MMP. Rico Boy, a well-known dope producer. And you don't have to respect me. I don't understand why they choose to reject me. Mama na never I love cause think I live in a case win and now we start to think God doesn't give a damn. Boy is full every time I try to be a champ. Kukoleli why is the reason I became a man. God make a education ninga drop out, ninga log out, kunas dumbo ninga shota out, because it's hard to debate me, replace me. It's better if you hate me, it's hard to embrace me. Now take a second, think about it. I'm a legend, song I rap, I'm an agent, got Jehovah, I'm a 7. The back on my mat, no shangasi, I'm a desert. You can say that I'm a faggot. Kuva fenya me kujoina insurance. Mseketero kuma good service. Baby chita naba Elvis, in lanza me vis, in number movaka Elvis, and tanga Travis Scott, cause I'm nova mova, ngata dumanga na yesu. Let me tell you, cause God is the engine, I'm a fly in a minute, and the sky is the limit. Another album, man, it's done in the kitchen. I'ma die as a victim. I'ma run with the gimmick, and I'm the best though. Can't push a rap since 2012. How crazy is that? I wasn't even that lazy yet. Why blame me then? If you can do, but we'll see you, my baby's back. But since you don't understand, some the fucker full stop, finish and clear, case closed, class dismissed.